Jargon 101, stay on top of the exclusive products. This is the new Urban Dream cover from Maybelline. It says it's full coverage, SPF 50 for all skin types, and I'm at Walmart, and guess what? No dark shades. Same day pick up on this product only to get here and it's not here, and what the lady is saying, no, it's not in the bag. If it hasn't been scanned out, it wouldn't generate a pic, so chances are it probably has been stolen. So I have to order it, and when it comes in, we'll go home and demo it, because I got some thoughts on SPF 50, so we'll probably pick this up but whenever the hell the product comes in. 16 shades. Does it go deep enough? No, but y'all still won't cancel Juvia's though. Okay, so we're here with the product in question, the Maybelline Urban Dream cover. I don't know why it's called that. I don't know the thought process behind the name, but I have my wet elf sponge, and we're gonna go ahead and pounce this in. You all, this is a full coverage foundation. It's advertised as with an SPF of 50. Now, anybody know women of color makeup? Anytime we have SPF, we tend to get ashy. So I'm thinking in my head, is this a BB cream? Is this a CC cream? No, the claim said full coverage foundation. I have mine in the shade Cappuccino. When you go on Maybelline's website, it will tell you the nearest Walmart. So if you follow me on IG, you saw me hunt this down on yesterday only to find it at CVS, but that's okay because I used coupons and got money back for it. Now, here's my theory. You saw 18 shades. Does it go deep enough? Absolutely not. So, for a long time and hopping on my channel, my love of makeup goes deep with my love for couponing. Very rare a product can make me come out of pocket full price or make me come out of pocket at all. Could they have done better? We all know the answer to that by now. But I don't mind trying and reviewing a product if I could get it for free. So on my monitor, I'm looking a real like tannish, a little like golden, but that's okay. I don't mind that look because we're gonna go in with concealer, and right away this feels very lightweight. So let it dry. We're gonna let it dry down. This could be a lightweight full coverage foundation. You're going to get 1 ounce of product, which is the standard. Now, when I was at Walmart did have theirs for $10.88, but CVS had theirs for $12.95. So there is a price difference there. And something else, the new Super Stay Concealer, I'm going to use that today just to see how it holds up, but this is going to be a separate review. This set coming soon to Maybelline's website, and again, Walmart did have that, so I went ahead and picked that up. Now, this is just with 1 layer. So my high hyperpigment areas, I covered it. I can still see it peeking out, but you all know on this channel, I don't have to have full coverage. So some of the specs on this, I went in and moisturized my face with my Garnier and my simple concoction that I've been using for a while. Primer, my Plain Jane Beauty Hyaluronic Acid Primer, and then I went back with the BH Cosmetics Mattifying Primer. Reason being, this foundation, dimethicone, is not the active ingredient. It's in there, but it's not active, so that means you won't get the mattest. This is not a matte finish. I'm guessing this is going to be more like a natural satin finish. So if you're oily or combo oily like me, you're going to need a mattifying primer somewhere in this concoction. So while I'm letting it dry down, this is not my normal moisturizing prime routine. I've been killing it with my 85 SPF that I put underneath my makeup because I fight hyperpigmentation. I don't want to put this on because this is moisturizing. This is not a matte. This is 85. This is 50. I didn't want to look like I'm casket ready walking outside. So far, looking in the mirror and looking at the monitor, I like the coverage so far. But we got a time test. So in the foundation, Octosilic homosalate, all just equals sunscreen. Those are very present in this foundation. My thoughts on foundation with SPF in it, I'm just one of these people that don't think it's needed, because you can't keep applying every hour, every other hour. I mean, it's sunscreens in it, but at the same time, it's foundation. You're gonna build up all day on your face. So what good does it do? And then you're going on top of it with powders and stuff. I don't know. I am just always I'm just one of these stance on my foundation does not have to have SPF in it for me to conceal it with the Fit Me Loose powder. And went back over with the Super Stay powder. Again, you all, like in my initial review, this is very, very powdery. So you will have to spray down and let it dry. I went to my Old Faithful, this Wet n Wild Cucumber Mist, and we're gonna let that dry, and my face is basically done. Alright, good people, it is 9:39 p.m. you all. I am ready to wash my face. I have not blot, I have not touched anything throughout the day, and this is what I am looking like. Okay, so first things first, I have my receipt in the fridge with the magnet, because I had every intentions on taking this back, and that's something that I never do, and I put that on everything. But I must say, she is a keeper, you all. When I tell you all day long, it felt like I had nothing on my face. If it wasn't for me time stamping, I would have forgot that I had on makeup. Unlike the Sephora CC cream, it's lightweight, but you hardly have no coverage. I have some other light foundations that I've been using that gets coverage, that's lightweight, like the Juvia's, but as time go on, you feel it. This, you actually feel nothing on your face. So let's go ahead and cut this short. She's a keeper. If I were you all, I would go for it. Downfall shade range Maybelline. Again, give us the starter pack 18 that most lines in the drugstore get. There's still really not kind of like an emphasis on undertone, which could be a downside. And I did feel like in my Instagram picture where I sat with the Maybelline powder did look a little ashy, but overall the SPF on a woman of color, I was not ashy all day. Flash, no flash. I'm very satisfied with it, and I just go cop this, y'all. Good night.